Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to make a reverse clutch spring compression tool for Nissan 3.5 or 2.5 engines. Follow me. Okay, we are at the local hardware store, Lowe's. Watch. Okay, so we are looking for 6-inch PVC pipe cap. This is 4-inch right here, 6-inch. Okay, here we go. I think I found it. All right, this is it. No, it's not this one. It's not this one. Here we go. Looks like I found it. All right, this is it. If you notice, it has a thin holes and it's light. Okay. Okay, so you don't want to get this the other one. This one is more expensive and it's much heavier and it's got thicker walls, okay, compared to this one. All right, so look for the small one. This goes back. We are taking this one. So I'm working on this Nissan Quest 2012 3.5 engine CVT transmission. Okay, I've removed the transmission and here's the subframe, and I disassembled it, cleaned it, and found the problem, which I'm gonna post in another video. Okay, and right now I'm gonna show you how to make this this reverse clutch spring compression tool. I already removed the clutches right here, and here's the spring. Okay. Spring, just take it out. Okay, so I have this 6-inch PVC pipe cap. All right. All right. It's right here. You can see it. All right, and now we're gonna measure. We're gonna have to put it inside. This is gonna be exact fit. Okay, here's the spring. All right, okay, and that's how it's gonna go. Okay. You're gonna take the spring out, all right, and you're gonna have to make 4 legs right here, and the leg's gonna have to compress right here on this spot, on the spring spot. Okay, right there. All right, just like this. Have a black marker here. All right, what we're gonna have to do is to mark these spots right here. So we have marked okay. All right, now I'm gonna cut this part here. Okay, it's gonna be cut. Okay, and we're gonna cut approximately okay, so just mark like this, you see these lines like that. Okay, and again. And this here. And the last one. Okay. So okay. Okay. So this is gonna be all cut. This, and this. All right. Okay, to cut this PVC pipe cap, I'm gonna use a grinder, metal grinder. Okay, and let's see. Okay, you might want to do it outside because it's gonna make a lot of dust and a lot of plastic particles, and of course use glasses and be very careful. So we're gonna be cutting this axis here that I measured previously. Okay, now it's you're gonna have to use a sandpaper and clean it really good, so there's no plastic debris, or you know, so basically the plastic melted here. You don't want any stuff like this in your transmission. So yeah, it came out pretty clean. Now we're gonna have to measure it, but probably it would be a good idea to wash it first, and use a little bit of sandpaper right here. You know, just use a little bit of sandpaper. Clean it out really good. All right. Okay, something like this. Okay, for this application, I'm gonna use 2 bolts. Just like this, 2 bolts. One goes here. All right, and the other one goes right here. All right, so just make sure it holds. All right, can I install the spring? Okay. Just make sure it stays in there. Okay. The snap ring. Okay, just make sure it's all the way in there. Okay, the tool. Just make sure it goes on the ring. It will not touch the snap ring, but it will go on the spring. Okay. Also, I'm gonna use 2 pieces of shims, wood shim. Okay, and just make sure you position the shims right somewhere in the middle. Just make sure the whole things go down evenly. So, and just gonna use a screwdriver. Okay, so you'll hear a snapping sound, so it's in place. Okay, it's in place. it's in place. All right. Just make sure it's tight. Okay. See, the snap ring is in place. It's beautiful. It's nice and tight. That was easy, right? Take these bolts out. Okay, now I'm gonna install the clutches. Start with the first disc plate. Okay, the lower part goes inside. Next one, first plate. Another sill plate. And the last plate is the thickest one. Okay. And the snap ring. This one is a little bit thicker than the first one. Okay, everything is in place. Thanks for watching. If you like this, please subscribe for more great tools and videos, and please hit like. Thanks for watching again.